Yes, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Mayor, You know me have to give you something brand new to make you laugh and happy upon yourself. The topic today is about worthless man. Yeah, man we worthless man. Man we not good. Good for nothing, man. You have some man, then good for nothing. Yeah, man, worthless man. You have all your daughter and then come out of the yard. Them not work. But then want to come breed up girl. But then come and look good man daughter and want to come breed up and have all one bunch of it. And them not work no way. If you ask them which part them work, then tell you no way. We don't know which part in the world near no way. And which part in the world near no way. No, man. If you're a man, you have to work, man. You have to work to support your woman and support your children and support your family. You have one next set of man when I have no fixed address. Him not have no house, him not have no car, him not have no bicycle, him not have no donkey, him not have nothing. You understand? He just come up and leg in the world like an animal. And then he walk and breathe in every parish and district if you know mind sharp. Yeah, man, you call them the man gingy fly, man. You know a gingy fly there with the two blue wings? Yeah, man, them the man a gingy fly, man. Workless man. And then walk and breed up and then can't pick the conky way. Then can't pick the conky way, you're so desos. Then the man do a picking like a dog puppy, Yeah, man. Me I tell you, you're some man. Then walk and breed up, man, and he sure pitting like a dog puppy. Not even dog puppy now give you again, I buy you have to buy that dog. Yeah, man. And if you ask them which part they were, no way. People don't tell me which part near no way. You have young man get up, the first thing you have to do, find a job. Yes. You provide for your family. You want to just get up, walk up and down, beg and borrow and work this up. Some of them man know if you have your money 14 parish they do have your money They have convoy if you have your money Yeah, man. I don't know man who not folk mouth on the eye. Some of them are catch woman in the car now, woman don't want them because they're outdated. Them all worthless outdated man. Yes, man. Them there's something right, brother. You not do nothing. You work no way. Which part you no way? Tell me when you know way, man. How you get money if you look about your family? How you get money if you look about your wife and your pitney? But as some of no woman want beat and treat the car. What not with them the type of man? Then the man they are all dated something, they come like a gingerbread. Big granny would have said then the man there a gingerbread them man. They come like a stale bread and bakery man. Me I tell you man can't work this so man. People want to tell me if man can't work this so. But if you walk and breed man east, west, north and south. He come like a some blind man in my breed Yes, man. Some who not blind. God them the workless man. Me, if me a woman, if you don't have no address, you have a fixed address, If you can't touch my clothes, you can't even talk to me once you touch my clothes. You understand? You have no ambition when you see some of them a one blue shirt they have, About they want people girl pitney. And they don't come and for me gate, go look all for me girl pitney. A big stone, me a fling pound, Me I tell you, Yeah, man. So no mark for me gate good. No mark for me gate good, man. Walk fast. At that mark for my gate, walk fast. Because me have one heap of stone in my yard. Me a go to big stone from morning till evening. You know, come out. Mr. Mayor is here. Subscribe and share.